In a tucked-away corner of the attic, Luna found the portal to the Enchanted Forest, and so began her magical journey. She had already collected 6 of the 7 Starlight Crystals. Luna was trying to decipher a strange map when Eli, the mischievous elf, came to her. Eli's usual twinkling eyes were clouded with worry. "Luna, there's something I need to tell you," he began nervously. "I haven't always been on the right side. I used to work for Shadow." Luna gasped. She had always known Eli to be playful and helpful, but never had she imagined this. "You work for Shadow?" she exclaimed. "Yes," Eli admitted, his voice filled with regret. "I did some bad things, but when I met you, I wanted to change. I couldn't stand by and watch Shadow's darkness consume the forest." Luna looked deep into Eli's eyes and saw sincerity there. She knew everyone made mistakes, and more importantly, she knew Eli had a good heart. "I forgive you, Eli," she said kindly, "but we have to stick together if we're going to succeed." Eli's face brightened with relief and gratitude. "Thank you, Luna. I promise to help you till the very end," he vowed. Together, they followed the map's clues, leading them to a meadow filled with shimmering flowers. There, they found the 7th Starlight Crystal, glowing radiantly amid the sparkling petals. Luna reached out to grab the crystal when a dark shadow loomed over them. It was Shadow, the mysterious figure who had been trying to thwart Luna's mission from the start. With a swift motion, Shadow snatched the crystal from Luna's hands. "You may have found it, but it belongs to me now," Shadow sneered, vanishing into thin air. Luna and Eli stood there, stunned and heartbroken, as the meadow's glow dimmed. The path ahead seemed more perilous than ever. How would they retrieve the stolen crystal, and what was Shadow's true agenda? They knew they had to be braver and cleverer to face the challenging times ahead. The quest to restore balance to the Enchanted Forest was far from over.